Hey y'all, I'm gonna show you how to do the best sweat-proof makeup. This is what I use every day, so I know that it works, so let's get started. The first thing you're gonna wanna start out with is definitely a primer. I really like this one because it also has SPF 30 in it. The point of using a primer is that you really want to just get a nice clean base for your makeup to stick to. So I'm gonna shake up my Makeup Forever HD. So I put just a little bit of that foundation on the back of my hand. I'm not even using my beauty blender. This is kind of just what I do when I'm throwing on my makeup. I'm gonna use my fingertips, and you can use a foundation brush if that's your thing. For me, I like just throwing it on with my fingers because it's easy. Okay, so now that my foundation's on and I feel like my face is looking pretty even, the next thing that I'm gonna reach for is my under eye concealer. And if you look in here, it's a little bit tacky, and that's a good thing because it means for me, it gives an extra hold. On my ring finger now, I'm gonna put it in an upside down triangle motion underneath my eye. And the reason I do that is so that it'll catch the light just the way I want to, as well as cover up any dark circles. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is grab my translucent powder. The first thing I wanna do is set the under eye concealer. I'm gonna go really heavy-handed with this. Okay, so now that I look a little funny and I got my white under eye going on, we're gonna move on and put on our concealer. This is the Bye Bye Redness Concealer. What I'm gonna do is use this in areas that I typically get red, and then also cover up any acne. Let's get to what I think is one of the most important steps of your whole look. Brows are it, you guys. A lot of us maybe over-tweezed our eyebrows back in high school or junior high, so this is how we fake it till we make it. So next up, y'all, I'm gonna grab my bronzer. All I'm gonna do is get a little bronzer brush. So we're just gonna go, and then what we're gonna do is put that bronzer in the hollow of my cheeks where I make the fish face. And what I want you to think about this is the center of a 3 that I'm about to make on my face. It's gonna go up, down into that hollow like we just did, and down right underneath my jawline or at the jawline. Okay, so now that we have our bronzer in place, the next thing that I'm gonna do is grab a little blush. What we're gonna do is smile really big and get those apples of the cheek to pop, and then just swirl in and around to make them stand out. So I'm now gonna go ahead and just get a bunch of powder on my brush and then put it all over my face, and you'll notice I'll really blend it in. We're trying to prevent the oil slick from coming on. We really want that powder to be in place to suck up all our oil away so that, again, you're keeping that sweat-proof makeup in mind. My next favorite product is Voluminous Primer made by L'Oreal, and it's not a needed step, but I do feel like it gives me a lot of extra length and also gives me a good base for that mascara to stick through whether I sweat or not. My mascara is actually something I just picked up yesterday. I'm gonna go to the top of my lashes, roll up and underneath, and then I'm gonna take my wand this way to do the underlash. So you guys, I am using Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and the color is Ruler that I have. I really, really love this because it lasts all day long. I work out in it, I teach fitness classes in it, and I go to, weddings, I drink, I eat all day long. Nothing budges it. It is so good. So what I'm gonna use is a setting spray for this. It's gonna be a lightweight, nice way to just seal in your face. Everything will stay set. So you guys are all done. You are gonna be all set whether you go to travel in the hot sun, whether you go work out, whether you're just going to work and you live in a hot climate. I can't wait to see your beautiful faces.